नहीं बोल सकती हूँ, है ना. मुझे नॉर्मल हिंदी आती आहे और मला मराठी पण येते कारण मी ओरिजिनली महाराष्ट्राची आहे. अँड मैं मारवाड़ी हूँ तो मैंने मारवाड़ी पण बोलता हवे, बट nowadays even Marwadis don't know how to speak Marwadi anyways. But I will not be communicating in any of these languages apart from English. Why? One of the reason, oh, Aarti ma'am teaches in English. Well, I have no problem teaching you in Hindi, but if you have to write your paper in English, it's better that you listen to the subject in English. Otherwise, exam you'll do the, what do you say, live translation of whatever is discussed with you in Hindi. And anyways, look at my English. Look at my English. It is such a normal, simple English. Do you see any Shashi Tharoor English over here? Or any Shakespeare English over here? And whatever terms related to audit, that I'm discussing with you. Like when I came across financial statements, when we saw the term audit evidence, or hey, you will get such wonderful marks in the subject of audit. You understand? Yeah, and then if you're from South India, so then I don't know Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, and all those languages. So, that's then the only common language which is left for us is English over there. Okay, right? So that's the reason intentionally, because there are students geographically from different parts of the country, we keep the mode of communication as English. Don't be worried, it will be beneficial for you. And this I'm not telling you just to get convinced, but it is practically also I'm telling you it was beneficial for you to get the good marks in audit. Okay, right.